Hi everyone, my name is Nakul and I'm the International Recruitment Manager South Asia and Southeast Asia for LaSalle College. We have two campuses in Montreal and Vancouver, so I'm kind of been taking care of both the campuses. We are a part of LCI Education. We have 23 campuses across 5 different continents. We've also got our own language school, which is LCI Language School in Vancouver, and then we have our LCI Language School in Montreal. Plus, we have our higher education school, which is called LaSalle College Vancouver and LaSalle College Montreal. So there's been wide range of programs that we offer. So for example, you want to study in Vancouver, you can start with English leading to our bachelor's degree, which is a bachelor's of game programming and a bachelor's of graphic design. There are some diploma programs which we offer to international students in Vancouver downtown. And in Vancouver, we have our bachelor's degree, which is kind of a 3 years course duration program to international. So it's actually a 4 years, but you will be able to complete in 3 years. So that's amazing because you will be able to save on a 1 year living cost and a living time when you study in Canada. However, in Montreal, there's been a lot of programs that we offer. So Montreal is in Quebec, which is a French-dominated province, and we are one of the leading institutions to offer programs in English and French. It's actually one of the biggest bilingual school, and we have wide range of programs into computing, logistics, artificial intelligence, information technology, graphic design, which you can study. You can also start with us in English and move to our Montreal campus for undergraduate and the advanced level programs at Montreal. So we are actually a 65-year-old institution established in 1959. We are headquartered in Montreal. So one of the unique point is actually we are a big diverse institution. So this year we recruited from 120 different countries across the world, and we have a small class size. It's not like hundreds of students. We have around 20-25 students in a batch, and we care for our students. So most of our programs, we have internships and projects. So it depends on how well the students perform at those internships and projects. If they have been doing really well, there might be chances of getting a full-time jobs within the same employer. And the best thing is, all our professors are from the industry, so our career support team will also help the students in finding jobs, both full-time, part-time, on campus and off campus. So we have some amazing Thai students who's been studying in Vancouver with both English and our bachelor's degree. So if you are very much interested to study, you can feel free to contact Pacific Premier. We are open for our April intake in Vancouver for bachelor's degree in game programming and graphic design, which you can also start with English program starting much before that, or the next available intake is September 2025. And Montreal campus, we have our intake starting in September 2025 for international students. So you can definitely start with Montreal, starting in English and doing online French with LaSalle. So feel free to connect Pacific Premier Thailand office. Thank you.